Hi, Adam from Bouncing Touch Reflexology, and I have a question for you. Who am I sending this to? Well, what is this? This is a package of Reflexology Charts, and what I have in here is Bouncing Touch's foot chart and also Bouncing Touch's the Reflexology foot charts collection, so it's a series of 10 charts. And it's a contest I've been running for the last couple weeks, and we get to find out who the winner is. So before we do that, I just want, actually I need some tea. Let's go over here, get some tea ready. So those of you who don't win this package, I just wanted to let you know that I'm putting together some new bundles based on some last sales I was doing. And so that will give you good value as far as getting a hold of some charts. And also I'm going to offer, coming up soon, some discounts so that you can also get your hands on some of these charts if that's something that you want to do. But for now, I just got to grab my tea here. For now, let's find out who is going to receive this package. Maybe a second. Just gotta put this down. Okay, so who's gonna receive this? So here's the app that I've been using, Gleam, and competition, so finished. One prize left, so draw a winner. So this is randomly gonna pick somebody. Let's see what happens. Draw. All right, so there you go. I will get in contact with you and send it off to you. So thanks again for everybody who entered the contest, and let me know if you would like me to run any more of these contests because they're kind of fun, right? And anyway, so thanks again for all of you who are supporting me on my YouTube channel and also through the Bouncing Touch website. Really appreciate it. Keeps me motivated in wanting to create more charts for you and things like that. So stay tuned for those discounts that I mentioned earlier and some of the bundled packages. And also I'm gonna have some new reflexology charts coming at you soon. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.